Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 9. Today I will present about the language attitude. My name is Ulandari. My partner is Arisa Santika and Lastrino Fitri. Okay, I will explain about the journal 1 and journal 2. Journal 1 is the language attitude of Tegal Javanese dialect maintenance and on food stall sellers in Depok, Indonesia. Journal 2 language attitude Minangkabau people towards Minangkabau and Indonesia language. The journal 1 from the research. This research combine the qualitative and qualitative and the method. This is the research. This is the research showed by the positive and by the positive of language attitude towards Tegal Javanese dialects, and in which they are from and still use Tegal Javanese, and the dialect communication even though are from the hometown. And the attitudes language from the Tegal Javanese dialects maintains on food stall seller in Depok, Indonesia. The attitude language can be sent the form of the language. See normally in oral and written communication in the oral from the language communication use language, and as men the dialect communication with the language, and men will the use of language in the written from the language. Okay, this is the next journal 2 from the research language attitude of Minangkabau people towards Minangkabau and Indonesia language. From the journal, Minangkabau is one of the main ethnic group of Indonesia. Considers as the 40 biggest major ethnic group of Indonesia. After Javanese, Maduranese, Sundanese, and Stein, however, the only suite related to.
I will explain by journal language attitude of Tegal Javanese dialect maintenance of food stall seller in Depok, Indonesia. In this journal, using quantitative and qualitative approach to see the tense of the choice of language use and explain the fact and that's actually happened in the field. This research was conducted in Depok, West Java. Depok residents are from various ethnic groups with different mother tongue backgrounds. Among the population of Depok is dominated by the Betawi language community. There are migrant groups that speak Javanese, Minang, Batak, and Sundanese language. The data analyzed is information obtained from questionnaire and interview and observation regarding the use and attitudes of the people of Tegal dialect in the Depok, West Java. The second journal, the language attitude of Minangkabau people toward Minangkabau and Indonesian language. Method used is a questionnaire and interview. This research interviewer mothers. According to Kunca and Batula, mothers have a major role in introducing and maintaining culture, traditionals, and language for their children. in the Minangkabau researchers collect data at the SIG Research site in West Sumatra. Three of the high-level regions contact language like Padang, Bukit Tinggi, and Payakumbuh. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, the result and discussion, Journal 1. The title is Language Attitude of Tagal Japanese Dialect Maintained a Food Stall Seller in Depok, Indonesia. The first point, the attitude of Tagal Japanese dialect maintained can be related to the social-linguistic background of speech community includes demographic and population mobility. International, the emphasis is on the domain of Tagal Japanese dialect and use. Based on table, the respondent language attitude about his children desire to speak Tagal Japanese dialect from the response has been answered as many as 12% and 100% answer yes. The second point, part more, the author discussed the use of language based on act with the situation in the food stall and outside the food stall. The third point, part more, on the table above described the language used based on the level of education. Respondent consists of 3 education level groups. There are elementary school, high school, and college. Based on research that has been done, if there are in food stall, the 3 group of respondents use more Indonesia to communicate. The last point, language used in mobility. The lack of stay in Depok, there are 13 respondents with divided into 8 respondents who claim to have